everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the discounts code in Odoo sales. So in Odoo sales, a discount code is a unique alphanumeric code that the customers can enter during the checkout process to receive a specific discount on their purchases. So this feature allows the business to implement various promotional strategies. It can be a percentage discount like fixed amount discounts or any product specific discounts. So let's see how can we configure the discounts codes in Odoo 18 sales module. For that, you can just type into the sales module. Under the configuration settings, we just need to enable the feature loyalty, promotions, and gift cards. This would allow you to manage the discounts code. So once you have made the changes in the configuration settings, the next step is that you can just manage it under the product menu. So here we can find the discounts and loyalty, where you can see that I have already created a program with the discount code, and here you can just use that. So the name of the program is code for 10% on order, which means we are just going to provide a percentage of discount on the order. So here you can choose the program type. Here we have number of program types such as coupons, loyalty, promotions, then discount code, buy X get Y, next order, coupons and all. For the time being, you can set the program type as discount code, then only you can just apply a percentage of unique alphanumeric code on your purchase. So once you have made the changes, you can see that we are just going to choose the currency as USD, which means that whenever we are just going to use this program, the currency applied for this program will be USD. You can also set a start date and end date, which determines the validity of this discount code. And we can also set a limit usage, which means once you enable this field, you can set the number of usage of this program. So if I'm only setting it as 1, then once it's used, we cannot use this further. So for the time being, I'm not setting any limit usage over here, and it's clear that this code comes under, that is the discount code comes under my company San Francisco, and we have currently made it available in sales. Now we can also set certain rules and rewards over here. So here you can see the discount code. The discount code is just 10 PC. So you can just copy this code, and whenever the customer purchases minimum one quantity, we can just provide a 10% of discount for him. So if we want to set a minimum purchase amount over here, we can also set that. And here we have different features such as we can set this discount conditional rules based on products, product tags, and categories. So I would like to set a minimum quantity over here, which is 1. Afterwards, you can just dive into the rewards. And here you can see that the discounts can be of different type. It can be a percentage of discount, or it can be free shipping or free product. We are going to provide a 10% discount on the order, which means whenever the customer make a purchase of a particular item, for that order we will be providing the discounts. If you want to set it as a cheapest product, you can set that, or it can be also based on the specific product. And you can also provide the description over here, and if you want to set a maximum discount amount over here, you can also set that. So once everything is done over here, you can save the changes that you have made under this discount codes, and you can see we haven't created any discount codes over here. Now let's move on to the orders. So under the orders here, we can just create a quotation from the scratch. For that, you can just click on new button where you can just fill out the details of the customer. I'm going to choose the customer as Azure Interior Nicole Ford, and you can choose the product. So I would like to choose a product as cable management box, and here we can see that a coupon code as a button. So as you just apply this coupon code, you can see we have an option to choose the reward, that is code for 10% on order. So we will be applying a 10% on the order. So let's choose that. So once it's chosen, you can click on apply, and you would be able to see that we have applied a 10% of discount, which means the total price of the product is 120. So when you apply a 10% of discount, it will be 12, and that $12 will be deducted from 120. And here you can see the amount is just 108, and including a 15% of discount, the amount will be just turning to 124.20. So that's how we just apply for the discounts codes in Odoo 18 sales module. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.